All AC parts work together to keep your home cool. And yeah, the blower usually uses a capacitor unless it's one of those fancy variable speed types. Typically, that capacitor is mounted right on the blower housing. So, if you want your air conditioner running smoothly, start by checking the capacitor on the blower motor because it helps kickstart the motor and keeps it running steady. Make sure you know where it's located. Usually, it's stuck on the side of the blower housing. If the blower is acting up or not blowing air properly, the capacitor might be weak or dead, which is a pretty common issue. When replacing it, always match the microfarad rating exactly, or you could cause more trouble. Keep the blower motor clean from dust and debris because gunk can slow it down or overheat it. Also, check the wiring connections to the capacitor to make sure they're tight and not corroded. Loose wires can mess with the motor's performance. If your system has a variable speed blower, the setup might be different, so look up your specific model before buying parts. And don't forget, regular maintenance like changing filters can help the whole system run better and save you some cash on energy bills. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC parts is ignoring the capacitor until something breaks, which can lead to a total blower motor failure. Fix this by testing capacitors every season with a multimeter or hiring a pro. Another issue is mismatching parts, like putting in a capacitor with the wrong rating or buying cheap replacements that don't last. Always get parts that match your unit's specs exactly and buy from trusted sellers. The third common problem is skipping proper cleaning and maintenance, which causes dust buildup on the blower motor and capacitor, making them work harder and wear out faster. Fix this by cleaning your unit regularly and scheduling professional tune-ups. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to AC repairs or installations. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get connected with homeowners looking for reliable help on their next big project.